Hey, cutie pie. Are you playing with your toy? Oh, that's so cute. You're so cute, Scotland. Uh-oh. It's Juliet. Move. What you doing, Scotland? Yeah, that's cute. She's kicking those legs today, trying to make her mobile come on. That's so cute. Juliet's playing with her playmat. Hi, sweetie. Do you like that toy? Do you like that toy? Can I get a smile? Where's Mommy's smile? That's so cute. Aw, Goo. Aw, Goo. She's touching her toys. She knows when they move that they come on. Yeah, that's good. When she touches the toys, the waterfall comes on. That's good, Scotty. Phew, bless you. Bless you. You're already learning stuff at school, aren't you? That's so precious. Here's you a block. Whoa, she bounced the block right off. Hi, baby. Glowworm. Here's your glowworm. She said, it's not bedtime. I want my mobile. She's really going to town on her mobile. Aww. She likes playtime. She likes playtime. What a good baby. What a good baby. Hi, sweetheart. Mama loves you. Aw, you're so sweet.